Christy Outdoors, Christy Outdoors, Christy Outdoors, Christy Outdoors. I like to explore, so join me outdoors. It's Christy Outdoors.
All right, everybody, Chris D here with Captain Jared Sparrow on the Ray of Dawn. Tell us what we're gonna do today.
Okay, amberjack season just opened up August 1st. We've been seeing a lot of them every time we've been going out to the same place, so I'm hoping they are where they always are. But the keepers have to be 34 inches to the beginning of the fork of the tail, so they're hard to catch. We probably will catch some of the smaller ones, but we're gonna try to catch a keeper too. We'll see what happens.
And last time I went fishing, just for the record, we went 30 miles straight south and didn't get a single fish in the boat. So today, I'm relying on Captain Jared Sparrow, Phoenix, the entertainer, and Kyle, Killer Kyle. So let's go. Everyone on the boat has to have a nickname. Jared Sparrow, Krabby Chris, Accurate Cast Kyle,
I don't know.
Fishing Phoenix.
Hello.
Fish on! What do you think it is, Jared?
It's like a mingo?
Oh, look at that.
Red snapper.
Red or mingo?
It's a red snap. Go back.
Throwing them back. Oh, another.
Red snapper?
Yep. You are like the pros here. What the heck, Jared?
Luckiest.
My goodness. It's another red, ain't it?
Yeah, pretty red.
Oh yeah, they're getting bigger, boys. Jared put us on the fish.
He won't be just in the intro this time, ladies and
Oh,
gents.
I'm making the video, y'all.
He's in the video. He's in the highlight reel.
Literally.
I'm in the highlight reel with this. I knew it. I said what I said. I
Trigger.
said double fish.
Trigger and a mingo.
A trigger.
Porgy.
Oh,
We're gonna keep that porgy.
really? Quick update, we've been catching ruby reds for the last hour and feeding the dolphin. So now we're moving about what, a mile away?
No, we're gonna go like a half a mile.
Like a half mile, that's what I said, half mile. And we're gonna land the big one. I don't know if you guys know this, but this next series of fishing in this video might be featured on ESPN.
He don't want to come up.
Dude, I don't know what it is, but.
I don't think it's a boat.
Oh shit, get him in the boat.
I don't think that's a bobo, y'all.
It's not a bobo.
Is it a bobo?
I don't know.
Yeah, it is.
It's a big one. Awesome. In the boat. In the boat.
Oh, that's a huge
In the boat. Yeah, Kyle. Killer Kyle. He's
Ooh, his eye got hooked.
Oh my God. We gotta hurry. 4% battery
Oh
left.
my god.
4% battery left. We gotta get this.
What is that?
Oh, fish.
What is that?
Those are bobo. They're bait.
You trolled?
Oh.
You caught him?
Yep.
And the tide line.